So me and my homies decided to go and get Hotpot. First of all though, look at their drip. Look at the coats. I love to see it. Anyway, so it was my first time getting Hotpot, so I didn't know what to expect. And I also want to give a disclaimer. I cracked the out of my camera, so you're gonna see a lot of glares like this. I'm so sorry. Anyways, so Chenyu pulls up. Get in, losers! And here we are on our way to, I think, Scarborough or something. Somewhere hella far.
Who cares, right? Holy shit.
When you have 7, you can afford to lose a couple.
Honestly, if you have one left, you still have one left.
Yeah, my grandfather has 5 siblings. Only 2 of them made it.
So we're inside. I don't even know what this place is, but it's apparently where the Hotpot restaurant is. So I'm honestly really excited to try it out. The way that they're walking is so fast. Y'all, please come and look at these track stars. I'm like, where are y'all going? So we actually had to make a reservation just to get a table. So we got our table, and I don't know what was going on here. You guys, please look at how they like gave us the fruit plate, and then someone like swoops in to basically take it away. And I'm like, hello? And then the lady beside him was like, no, put that shit back. Anyways, I thought that was pretty funny. But I love that it came with like all of these utensils and like just things that we might need while we're eating.
The waiting area out there, right?
Yeah.
There's a place for manicure.
Are you serious? Staff were so nice. They gave me a hairband so I could tie my hair. And they also gave us all aprons so that we weren't like sloppy pigs getting it all over our clothes, aka me. And this is me just being an NPC, not knowing anything that was going on, but just, you know, listening along, just going along with the vibe.
Oh no, you ordered the soup base. So you got a 2 flavor soup base, right? Okay.
For those who don't know, I developed an allergy to garlic in 2020, which honestly still boggles my mind. Like, I didn't know you could develop allergies as an adult. So this is us just talking about everything.
Well, if you think about the white one, I don't think there's garlic. It doesn't taste like garlic at all. Do you like spam?
Spam? I never tried it. Bruh, when they pulled this out, I was like, oh, so we're getting serious already.
Beef's so fucking expensive though. Look this shit.
This was so funny. I'm like, they got Wally working full time. This bathroom was decked out. They had mouthwash, they had things for your hair, they had everything. I'm like, okay, Haidilao. Is that for you or for me?
For me.
Okay. Y'all see how he fumbled that and should have said that it was for me? Anyways, this is me pouring it myself, not knowing what to get because I was scared for all of my allergies. I ended up getting like green onions, sesame oil, and a sesame sauce, and it actually was very delicious. Finally, it's time to eat. We started off with this dessert. I don't know what it was called, but it was very good. The texture, like it was like a bread texture. This is me almost double dipping, but I caught it. So regardless, so I was like, oh, this is how we start. We're starting with desserts. But now it's time for the big dogs. The woo 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 woo. I was ready, okay?
Melissa?
You know something is good when you immediately make a stank face. This is good. Also, if anybody comes for the way I hold my chopstick, just know I got some for you, okay? Just not too much.
Can you try this?
Yeah. Is it tried?
No. We're ready to cook. I can cook more though.
This is something, I don't know, but we're gonna try it. Some kind of intestine.
Is it?
Some kind of intestine?
No. It's like some kind of meat.
Oh.
Yeah. I don't know what kind of meat though.
Good. This is example number 2 when you know something is good. When you start dancing. Y'all see the material mixing. This is pork, right?
That's beef.
Oh, beef.
Use this.
Honestly, you could tell me I was eating toenails and I would probably still believe you because I did not know what I was putting in my mouth, but I knew it was good. But look at this guy cutting up shrimp with chopsticks, bro.
Try this.
Take it?
Yeah.
With my chopsticks?
With your hands?
Y'all see how sassy he is. Sassy. I'm glad I caught this in 4K. Do you know what this is?
It's tendon.
Tendon. I'm nodding like bet. Just about to eat some tendons, you know. This is it, right?
Yeah. This is it. Where's the humble?
A lot of the stuff is
Just wait a little bit longer. Might as well.
For the last time we went to the barbecue place, they got garlic here too. You survived.
Just survive.
You're okay.
We cooked it with the grill. Had the garlic thing, marinated thing.
So we have noodles coming out soon. So far I'm enjoying everything that I've eaten. I'm still very hungry.
Actually,
Yeah.
I'm pretty full.
For real?
We need to eat all the meat.
But yeah, it's good. My sauce is delicious. Although I'm running out. It's sesame and sesame oil and green onions. Watch this guy put on a show. I am screaming at him looking back before you do it all this. Okay.
Change back here.
I know. Dang, he going in. Oh.
Okay.
He's doing all kinds of tricks.
That's good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That's cool. Okay, next up we have green noodles. Spinach noodles. If I can pick it up. No, because why was I slurping this for so long? I was slurping and chewing and slurp. I was like, girl, is this gonna end or?
Okay. Time for it.
Now the last step when you know something is good, when you start singing. This was so nice. I didn't even ask for this, but the staff came and brought over a tripod. I was like, oh my gosh. Elbow.
No. It's from the front half of a cow.
The head.
Which part of it?
The mouth, the tongue.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Want this one?
Yeah. Oh, no.
I'm good. Just make it if you want.
It's too tough.
Too tough? Maybe like this one been cooked like for a while now. Like honey and butter.
I didn't remember it. It's not in fucking Canada.
So at this point, I decided to drink the broth, and I don't know what was going on. I feel like I drank the broth and ended up in a parallel universe. Like the way I look like I'm going through a midlife crisis. I'm looking around. I'm looking into the broth. I'm like, what is going on? Kale?
No, this is watercress.
About to unlock a new allergy. Watercress. Not us harmonizing to Starship.
What? Guys can say anything else?
I literally have no idea what happened here. I just coughed and the person behind us banged on like my seat.
You guys try to start a fight.
I don't know what was that.
No peanut.
Raisin?
Raisin's okay.
And the other one's like another fruit. It's like a dried fruit.
Not, as long as it's not pineapple.
Yeah. Do you like it?
Why? What about it?
The peanut. The jello was good. The peanut ruined it. We're ending it off with some sundae. I got strawberry. Ching Chong got chocolate and Chinyu got strawberry.
Yes, sir. Imagine Chinyu is white and in America, right? The bullshit, right? He goes to KFC and orders his favorite Tootie Tuesday with a side of corn. And they have no corn. Holy.
How would I rate this place? I'll give it a 8.9 out of 10. Yeah. It was very delicious. I think I ate 3 calories today. Anyways, that concludes this video. Honestly, I really recommend that restaurant. The bathroom was clean, the staff were nice and accommodating, the meat was delicious, like everything was so fresh. So if you're looking for a restaurant in Toronto, I highly recommend Haidilao.